Good morning, children. So, children, today we'll discuss chapter number 2, question answers. So, first question is, give one difference between the following. First, hardware and software. So, you have to give the only one difference between both. Hardware, give the definition of hardware. Hardware represents the physical and tangible components of the computer. That is the components that can be seen and touched. Input device, this is not the answer, up to touch is the answer. Then software comprises the instructions and data that can be stored electronically in computer system. Software is a program that operates the computer system. Only on up to system you have to write the answer. Then input and output device. Input device, the input unit consists of input device attached to the computer. Input device takes input in different forms from the user and convert it into machine under stable form. Then what is output? Output device displays the output obtained after the input has been processed by the computer. So input means we are giving instructions to computer, and then output means after giving the instructions, after process the data, it shows the output. Matrix printer is there. Two types of printer, dot matrix printer and laser printer. So what is dot matrix printer? This printer have a print head which strikes against an ink ribbon against the continuous paper form. They are slow, noisy, inexpensive, and quality print is very poor. Then laser printer are faster and produce high quality prints. They are also much more expensive in inkjet printer. Then difference between plotter and printer. So plotter means plotter area lines using a pen. As a result, they can produce continuous line, whereas printer can create lines by printing closely spaced series of dot. Then the printer is used to output on paper. This is called hard copy, and a printer can print the black and white or colors. CRT and LCD monitors. Cathode rays tubes is the technology used in older computer monitors. They are bulky and heavy. Then CRT means earlier we are having a TV. That TV or that computer screen is having very bulky and very heavy. And nowadays we are having a LCD. LCD, you are knowing LCD. LCD means a flat monitor, occupy little space and superior quality. Then CU and ALU. What is CU? Control unit. Control unit controls the flow and manipulation of data information. It also controls the flow of data from the input device to the memory and from the memory to the output device. Then what is arithmetic logic unit? The ALU is the part of the computer system where all the arithmetic calculation and comparison are made in the ALU. Then input storage area and output storage area. Input storage area means where the data received by input device and stored temporarily, and output storage area means where data sent to output device is stored. Touchscreen you are knowing. Touchscreen means touchscreen is a computer display screen that is also an input device. Device such screen are sensitive and press and user interface with the computer by touching picture or words on the screen. That you are using touchscreen nowadays in a mobile also. Touchpad means a touchpad has the same function as a mouse as touchpad, since the position of the touch of the finger and on a pad and the mouse, the cursor accordingly. Means touchpad, the mouse, we are having the area where we are moving the mouse. Program storage area means where the instruction process data and stored, and working area means where the intermediate result calculation stored. Then come to the question answer. What is the difference between hardware and software? We had discussed earlier this. Then components of the computer system means hardware, peripheral and software. Peripheral, do you mean by peripheral? Peripheral are the device that are attached to the central processing unit, that is the keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor. These are the peripheral devices which attach in the CPU, and they could be attached with the wire or without wire, means wireless. Then what are the different parts of CPU and what are their functions? Different parts of CPU is control unit, ALU and MMU, means main memory unit. Control unit means it controls the flow and manipulation of data and information, and it also controls the flow of data from input device to the memory and from memory to the output device. It controls the instructions also and flow of data also. Arithmetic logic unit means the calculation and comparison are made in this computer system, ALU. Main memory unit or primary unit means having the following basic areas: input storage area, program storage area, working storage area and output storage area. Then compare the different types of printers. Here different types of printers are impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer means having printer head which strikes against an ink ribbon against a continuous paper form. They are slow, noisy, inexpensive and quality of printer is poor. Means in impact pair. And non-impact printer means non-impact printer print by shooting small droplets of ink at great speed on a paper. This printer are faster, noisily and printing the quality is superior. And nowadays they are more, however, they are more expensive also. Then different types of monitors are explain the different types of monitors. The monitor is an output device which displays information and in pictorial form of screen. From a screen, it is also referred to the visual display, means video, cathode ray, CRT in a new technology. Older computer, they are having a bulky and heavy monitor at a different, means here such as the LCD and LED and plasma monitors we are using nowadays, and it is very in a super quality. However, they are quite expensive also we are using. So these are the question answers, student. So learn this question answer, and if you had not completed your notes, complete from this video. Thank you.